National Commercial Bank's Managing Director Patrick Hylton expects interest rates to continue trending downwards and says the banking group has learnt a lot from the debate over bank spreads. He hinted that NCB will be accelerating its strategy of internal efficiencies to narrow the spreads. I spoke with Hylton on New Year's Eve, December 31, 2010. What have you learned from the dialogue in the media about bank spreads? And is NCB and the wider banking group looking at how to tackle that?
Yeah, I think so. Like I said to people, since the implementation of JDEX, we have seen significant fall-off in government interest rates. And JDEX was particularly designed to achieve that purpose. We have seen a fall-off as well in rates in the commercial banking space. It certainly has not been as rapid as that which the government would have experienced. But we have seen that over the last few months, it has been trending down and trending in what I would say is the right direction. And my expectation is that it will continue to trend in that direction as the adjustments take place in the market. Because, of course, adjustments have to take place on the liability side as well, because it would have been carrying liabilities, and then those will have to reprice. And similarly, we have to also look at efficiencies and how those can be brought into the equation. So I expect that it will continue to trend on. You ask what are the lessons learned? I think the most important lesson, as I've said to the people here, is that one of the things we have to learn to avoid as Jamaicans is what I call shooting the messenger. Right, and listen carefully to the message, right? See what is in there of value and so on, what you can learn from. And I think that one of the things that, as I said to my colleagues all the while, is that over a long period of time, Jamaican businesses, not just banks, but Jamaican businesses generally, have tended to use a strategy of price recovery, meaning increasing prices in response to changes in inputs in their business. And I think that we're at a point where people are saying that is not acceptable. Have to look at how can you improve internal efficiencies so as to get some benefit and also to pass on some of it. And so that is our focus.
With Jamaica's largest banking group being proactive in this arena, should recession hit, consumers expect bank spreads to fall generally in the new year? Only time will tell. For Business Content, Jamaica, I'm Owen James.